grabbing dirt and putting it in the corner?
Maybe. We're gonna have to dig them trees out of there.
Where's that saw? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, but you could probably dig the whole tree out.
Yeah. Get out of the f***ing way. I think I'm gonna cut this one off. And then then I'll dig this out a little bit more and then we'll just push it over. So not too much longer. She's coming out. This one be easy, just all. Yeah, let me get this running. Screw it, I'll just start cutting shit. Blade is dull because I was cutting railroad ties. So now I'm gonna look like a chump. Come on, old girl. It might be out of gas. It's bubbling in there right now still. It must have been from sitting in that house. Being hot in there. Well, it hasn't.
A lot of the oil goes out of that. A lot.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Bad gas. It's just got bad gas in it. And it's all probably, carburetor's all probably messed up. I don't know if I should just let that fall. I should probably have my dad grab it with the forklift.
Yeah, grab the forklift.
Yeah, you wanna bring it over here, then we'll sling it. We'll see how well this saw cuts, but I'll just fall this one right now.
What do you want to catch this one?
Yeah, just so it don't fall in the house.
Here you go.
I should have had her grab my sharpening tool.
Is it dead? Is it bad?
And it's not cutting. I cut all those railroad ties with it.
You know what? I should just cut those out of there, but I'm afraid it'll bend them. Cut those brackets out so I can just slide it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to break it loose, and we'll put a sling on it. I think I bent my fork. Look at that. God damn it. Wonder if I can heat the bitch back up, move it. Man, I just bent the shit out of my fork. Wow, that's fucking bad. That was dumb.
I should have just cut this earlier. I foresaw all this coming.
Hey, slide it in a little more so I don't bend that fork anymore. Man. Chase, cut this one off.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, cut this one. Really?
Something's runs like
Why? What happened?
I don't know. I don't know, it's like the carburetor's gunked up. It's never done this, ever. I'm upset about my saw. Not running good. Chain's dull. If you want to feel full peak men's testosterone, you run one of these motherfuckers.
Man, I can't believe I bent my fork. Trying to figure out how I can fix it real quick. I don't know if I got a rosebud in my fucking...
Did you heat it and not ruin it?
I don't know. It makes it hard to pick shit up. Like this thing right here, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna try. He gets the torch over. Actually, just have him turn around and back it right here. I don't have a rosebud.
Don't?
No, but I can probably. Oh, I got a big tip here. Man, all my tips are kind of little too. 92, but well, here's one, but it's for a little torch. Oh no, that isn't either.
I don't know, we might have to turn this truck around.
That is. Let's see. Yeah, I might make it. Flip it over the top. Yeah, we'll be good. I'll try to heat that fucker right up where I bent it. God damn it, man. Chase, get that backhoe out and get your arm out ready.
Okay.
So if I get it red hot, we can kind of push it real quick. Barely. Or do you want to run this?
Huh? It don't matter to me, whatever you want to do.
Well, are you good enough to just kind of?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get it in position real quick.
All you need is a tooth on it. Looks pretty good now. Let's see what it looks like. I think that's pretty good.
Is it overbent?
Yeah.
I mean, let me look at it real quick. Go ahead and take it out, John. That's pretty close, isn't it?
That looks good. Yeah. God damn.
That fucker's like straight as an arrow now.
Straighter than the other one.
It is. We're gonna change the streets in Goodsprings. He could have been some fucking billionaire's fucking kid that.
Yeah, but then I'd be a pussy.